Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send iMessage effect on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the iMessage application and select the person you want to send iMessage to. Now once you selected the person, go ahead and type in your message. So once you type in your message, press and hold the send button. Then you can choose between slam, loud, gentle, invisible ink. Like this. Then you can come to screen and choose different cool effects to add on the screen. You can even send with echo. Now you can swipe through to select the kind of echo you want to send. So you can send with confetti, you can send with love, then this is Lisa, this is firework, and then this is celebration. So just go ahead and select the effect you want to send the message with, and then go ahead and click on the send button. Then you should see the message sent. You see that? So that is basically how to send iMessage effect on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.